Hi kids! Are you ready to learning animals with ABC?
Hi!
Let's learn
Hi.
ABC in a fun
Hi.
way. Hi, I am alphabet A. A is for apple, a red, juicy apple. Apples are sweet and yummy to eat. They grow on trees. Can you name this? Apple. Hi, I am alphabet B. B is for bear, a big brown bear. Bears love honey and sleep a lot. They live in the forest. Can you name this? Bear. Hi, I am alphabet C. C is for cat, a soft little cat. Cats love to purr and chase a ball. They live in the house. Can you name this? Cat. Hi, I am alphabet D. D is for dog, a happy brown dog. Dogs love to bark and wag their tails. They live in the home. Can you name this? Dog. Hi, I am alphabet E. E is for elephant, a giant gray elephant. Elephants have a long trunk. They live in the wild. Can you name this? Elephant. Hi, I am alphabet F. F is for fish, a shiny little fish. Fish swim fast in water blue. They live in the sea. Can you name this? Fish. Hi, I am alphabet G. G is for giraffe, a tall, spotted giraffe. Giraffes have a very long neck. They live in the savannah. Can you name this? Giraffe. Hi, I am alphabet H. H is for horse, a fast running horse. Horses gallop very fast. They live on the farm. Can you name this? Horse. Hi, I am alphabet I. I is for iguana, a green little iguana. Iguanas climb and bask in the sun. They live in the trees. Can you name this? Iguana. Hi, I am alphabet J. J is for jellyfish, a wiggly jellyfish. Jellyfish float and glow in water. They live in the ocean. Can you name this? Jellyfish. Hi, I am alphabet K. K is for kangaroo, a jumping brown kangaroo. Kangaroos hop and carry babies. They live in the grass. Can you name this? Kangaroo. Hi, I am alphabet L. L is for lion, a brave golden lion. Lions roar loud in the jungle. They live in the wild. Can you name this? Lion. Hi, I am alphabet M. M is for monkey, a funny, silly monkey. Monkeys swing from tree to tree. They live in the jungle. Can you name this? Monkey. Hi, I am alphabet N. N is for narwhal, a magical narwhal. Narwhals swim with a long tusk. They live in the ocean. Can you name this? Narwhal. Hi, I am alphabet O. O is for owl, a wise night owl. Owls can see in the dark. They live in the trees. Can you name this? Owl. Hi, I am alphabet P. P is for panda, a cute black and white panda. Pandas eat bamboo all day. They live in the forest. Can you name this? Panda. Hi, I am alphabet Q. Q is for quail, a small brown quail. Quails run fast on the ground. They live in the fields. Can you name this? Quail. Hi, I am alphabet R. R is for rabbit, a fluffy white rabbit. Rabbits hop and eat carrots. They live in the grass. Can you name this? Rabbit. Hi, I am alphabet S. S is for snake, a long green snake. Snakes slither on the ground. They live in the jungle. Can you name this? Snake. Hi, I am alphabet T. T is for tiger, a striped orange tiger. Tigers walk so quietly. They live in the jungle. Can you name this? Tiger. Hi, I am alphabet U. U is for urchin, a spiky sea urchin. Urchins stick to rocks underwater. They live in the sea. Can you name this? Urchin. Hi, I am alphabet V. V is for vulture, a big flying vulture. Vultures soar high in the sky. They live in the mountains. Can you name this? Vulture. Hi, I am alphabet W. W is for whale, a giant blue whale. Whales splash water from above. They live in the sea. Can you name this? Whale. Hi, I am alphabet X. X is for X-ray fish, a see-through little fish. X-ray fish show their tiny bones. They live in the water. Can you name this? X-ray fish. Hi, I am alphabet Y. Y is for yak, a shaggy big yak. Yaks have thick, warm fur. They live on the mountains. Can you name this? Yak. Hi, I am alphabet Z. Z is for zebra, a black and white zebra. Zebras run across the land. They live in the wild. Can you name this? Zebra.